So we are about to go out shopping, and then we are going to Old Town eventually for tea. Yeah. See you when we do get to Old Town. So bye for now.
Rory, may I interview you, sir? Yeah. What do you want to ask me about, Aaron? Aaron. Yeah, if you've not already, go and subscribe to our other channel. Oh yeah, we've decided it's called ADFAM. ADVFAM. Yes, it's me, Rory, Adele. And this one, just me. And I do show a little bit of everyone on this one.
Solo, and then
a little bit of something else.
We do a joint one as well, which
we
is
do.
like when we go on holidays together and stuff and what.
And the next time you see us post after this is gonna be a long time, my brothers.
Well, not after this certain one.
Well, after Florida. After this holiday, it's gonna be a long time.
Hit me with them.
Anyway, what's your favourite car?
Ooh, I like them all really. Especially the sporty ones were good in that.
I like the one with the funky horn.
Oh yeah. And then that Chevrolet at the end with the big
the monster truck.
Yeah.
That
was sick. That
was awesome.
They were all pretty mint.
Yeah, they were, weren't they?
Mint in it, fam.
Yeah, he speaks English, just in case you know.
Yeah,
I speak Australianish.
I speak English, and I speak Mancunian.
We got wrong.
Rochdalian, but
Rochdalian?
he speaks Australian.
What the hell is a Rochdalian? I got a small spot, so I gotta get in the middle.
He's from Rochdale. So you're in the middle, Aaron.
Yeah, I got the small spot. Oh no, my drink bottle.
I don't know about that.
Anyway, yeah, we're in the can.
Yeah, on time.
Yeah, fill the time. When we get back, I imagine this.
Someone wants our spot. Unless they're trying to, you don't need to look at.
What did you enjoy the most about today?